Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting WhatsApp access to contacts and opening WhatsApp web on your computer so you can work faster. Once done, choose whether to export individual chat histories or pull a full contact sync. Exporting chats gives you embedded numbers, while syncing contacts lets you match names to numbers. Make sure to back up your account to Google Drive or iCloud first to avoid data loss. This gets you into position to extract numbers without interrupting daily messaging. You now focus on the middle work. Open a chat, click the contact header, and view contact info to reveal the phone number. On WhatsApp web, you can copy that directly. Once you copy several entries, paste into a spreadsheet, and use functions to split and trim text so numbers line up in one column. Make sure to remove non-digit characters with a formula or regex. This organized list prepares you for deduplication and formatting for use elsewhere. You finish by normalizing numbers with country codes and removing duplicates so every entry is import ready. Export the cleaned column as CSV for your address book or CRM. Once done, import small batches to verify accuracy. If numbers are missing, check for archived or deleted chats, blocked contacts, or restore a recent backup. Make sure contacts permission is still enabled. If the web copy fails, use WhatsApp desktop app or a trusted export plugin and repeat the cleanup step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.